Hey, this is Frank. This is a 2009 Lexus RX350. This car is in the shop for a relatively routine outpatient procedure. Let's see how it goes. The complaint is that this tail light right here is cracked, and this is the result of contact with another car or maybe a fixed object. And of course, the driver did not do it. It was somebody else that did it. That's what they all say. This is the replacement tail light I've purchased used on eBay. It's in pretty good shape. It has some very light superficial scuffs here and there, but nothing major. So let's see what we have to do to get this one out and get the new one in. In the back of the trunk, there is an access hatch that we will pop open. Looking at the back of this new tail light, it has 3 studs here, here, and here. And I'm hoping that all 3 of them are accessible through the hatch. Looking in through the back, there is some limited access to these studs. The lowest stud is easy peasy with this 1/4 inch socket wrench and a 10mm deep socket. The upper studs are a little bit harder to wrangle through this opening, but it can be done. And here are the 3 nuts. Next, we're gonna get this plastic trim out of the way, and what we need for that is a Phillips head screwdriver right here. Once the nuts are released, then this tail light assembly pops right out with just a little bit of wiggling and persuading. So next, because these 2 connectors are buried down behind the plastic paneling, we're going to remove and replace these light bulbs from the old tail light and place them into the new tail light. So this just twists and comes out, and same with this, it just twists and comes out. So here you see that I've unplugged the one small white connector that is near the top, and I've twisted out the bulbs, and here is the old tail light, and it's ready to replace with the new tail light, minus this piece that came with the new tail light. Make sure that this spongy insulator is in place on the new light. So I quickly test the light before completing the reassembly. And there, it's back where it belongs. Looks beautiful. Here's one final test with the light secured in place, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you the next time.